Welcome Jude in the water.
Daddy. Oh my gosh, that is cold.
It is cold.
I gotta go over there.
Hannah, no. No, we're not. No, the water's moving really fast. Stay over here. What do you think, Jude?
Wow, it's really moving. It's so low.
You know what our neighbor said?
What?
He said that there were catfish out here this morning that got washed out of the lake.
So this is the way.
Isn't that crazy? He said there were fish on our driveway.
What? There were a driveway?
Yeah.
I just stepped on a bunch of sand.
Yes. Dirty.
Well, go into the dirt. That's a little fruity.
So cold. You can go back. You don't have to.
It's dirty with it, but then you can wash it back off.
Be careful your watch, baby. It's not waterproof, really.
Oh yeah, I'll go back.
You can't go down? Hannah, what happened?
I guess the rain that overflowed the river.
Yeah, look at that.